At a time like this, I'm sure you want to be making as much extra cash as possible, and match betting has allowed me to do just that over the last few years, making well over £10,000 during that time. If you've not heard of match betting before, just check this video out up above, which will tell you exactly what match betting is and how you can start to do it. Whilst there are a few different pieces of software that you can use to make this process of match betting a whole lot easier, Profit Accumulator is the one that I've used consistently ever since I started. Not only do they find the best sign-up offers to make you well over £1,000 from just starting out, they also do detailed videos and written tutorials to show you exactly how to maximise profit from these offers to give you the confidence when you're first starting out. Today then, I'm going to review Profit Accumulator's Platinum membership so you don't have to. For complete transparency, I should say that I am an affiliate of Profit Accumulator, which means that if you do sign up using my link in the video description below, I will make a small commission. However, I wouldn't be doing this if I didn't use the software myself, and if it hadn't made myself, my friends, and my viewers thousands of pounds in tax-free cash over the last few years. When you sign into Profit Accumulator, you'll immediately land on the dashboard screen like you can see here. And for somebody brand new to the software, it can be a little bit daunting, fully understanding what you're looking at and where to click to make your first bet. Fortunately, the tab here on the left-hand side, which says Start Here, walks you through for people who have never ever done it before. So we'll click through there, and what that will do is it will bring up the first few offers for you to do on Profit Accumulator. So you can see here, it starts off by giving you a basic tutorial which walks you through the idea of matched betting. The back bet, the lay bet, the qualifying bet, and the profit bet. As I've already said, there are some really good videos on here which will talk you through exactly what you need to be doing, because it's all well and good reading it, but it makes a lot more sense when you see the process occurring in front of you. So this first section essentially talks you through the two kind of bets as we've said, and it breaks it down in a really simple and logical way, so hopefully anybody can understand it. There's lots of people that I've spoken to and supported starting match betting who have got no understanding of sport and don't really follow sport anyway, so this really is something that anybody can access. Once you've learned about the basic idea, you can then learn about the betting exchanges, which is of course where we go to lay off our back bets. Again, if you don't understand what I'm talking about, just watch that video that I linked at the very beginning, which will hopefully help this make a little bit more sense. Again, there's a video here which walks you through the process, and it also links you to Smarkets, which is one of the major betting exchanges which I use myself. And once you're happy with all of that, it lists a number of different bets here that you can use to make £40 of profit from the Coral bet and the Betfred bet. And I should mention you can access this completely free via a free trial using my link. So even if you're not going to give it a go for the long term, you can make 40 quid and be done with it, which is never a bad thing. From the dashboard, these shortcuts will take you to probably the most important places on Profit Accumulator, but you can also use the ribbon at the top to look at different types of offers, the odds matching software, different types of calculator, and access the forums as well, which we'll talk about a little bit later. The first thing you'll be interested in though are the sign-up offers, of which there are currently 54 on the Profit Accumulator platform. Each offer that you ever do on Profit Accumulator will have something called a guaranteed profit tab, which will show you how much you are guaranteed to make from doing that offer. This is obviously subject to you making sure that you've done the offer correctly and you've hit the eligibility criteria, but if everything's done properly, you will stand to make X amount of profit from every single one of these offers. So you can see here the Unibet one, you're guaranteed £25 profit, BetDAC £8, Lottoland 5, and so on and so on. And there are literally loads of different offers that you can do here from bookmakers that you probably haven't even ever heard of. Now, something I will say is that Profit Accumulator do their due diligence, and they make sure that any of the platforms that they send you to are safe and secure and trustworthy. So you'll never go off to a bookmaker that's just going to take your money and run. You can guarantee that Profit Accumulator have done the legwork before to make sure that these are trustworthy sites. As with the Start Here tab, if you click through to any of the offer details, that will also give you a detailed breakdown of the step-by-step process of placing these bets. So step 1 is the opening of the account and the initial deposit. Step 2 is then the qualifying bet, so the requirements of actually getting the free bet, so what do you need to do? And then the final stage is step 3, which tells you how to maximize profit from the free bet that you'll be getting. Now, of course, Planet Sport Bet was one of the ones which is slightly further down the list. And if you have a look here, you can see I've got incomplete, complete, and in progress offers. So if you have a look at some of the offers that I've completed, the Labrix one, for example, and go through to offer details, because this is one of the offers that it gets people to do at the very beginning of their match betting journey, there is a full video here that goes along the side.
Labrix have a new account sign-up promotion offering new customers 4 £5 free bets when they deposit and bet £5 at back odds of 1.5 or greater.
So you can see it breaks it down really simply, which when you're starting out, believe me, is exactly what you need. There's also a wealth of different support online using YouTube. You can check out the videos that I've done or other people, different match betting blogs, as well as websites to support you in maximizing profit. One of the best things about Profit Accumulator, and the thing that you're really paying the money for, is the odds matching software. You could probably go and find most of these offers online without needing to use Profit Accumulator, but the odds matching software is where the money is really made. If you move across to odds matching here at the top, you can see there are a number of different options. You've got the odds matching or the odds matching old, which is the kind of basic calculator, and then you've got lots more complex odds matching catchers which you can use for more advanced offers. The odds matching software essentially shows you what you should bet on to maximize the profit from the offer. You can see from left to right, you've got the event date, you've got the sport that's taking place, you've got the name of the event, and if you hover over it, it will show you the league that you're betting on, which, believe me, can come in helpful sometimes when you're betting on Brazilian and Chilean leagues. You've got the bet to make, so if, for example, here you'd bet on Mansfield to win, and that's obviously match odds rather than a win bet, which you'd see in horse racing, a correct score, or both teams to score offers, which you'd see sometimes as well. It shows you the bookie that you need to place that back bet on. It shows you the odds pulled straight from the bookmaker, the exchange that you need to use to lay your bet, and the lay odds. And it also gives you a rating. Now the rating essentially shows you how good that bet is. What you'll normally see and what you'll normally be doing is betting on things which are around a 98% match. This will mean that if you bet £10, you would lose 20p from the qualifying bet, but in losing the 20p, you'd then get a £10 free bet, which you could hold around 80% of the value. So from that free bet, you'd probably make around £8 minus the 20p, so it's profit of £7.80 across the full offer. The availability is also something to bear in mind, and that's the amount of available liquidity on the exchange. Once you've got to this stage, you can then use the calculator at the side, and it shows you exactly the bet that you need to make, exactly how much money you need to back, exactly how much money you need to lay, and it makes it so simple for you. You can then store the profit in your profit tracker, which again makes it very easy. If you go back to the odds matching tab, you can also see all these other ones here. So the ACCA catcher will find you profitable ACCAs, which is where you can use ACCA insurances to make guaranteed profit. So Ladbrokes, for example, do an ACCA insurance offer, so you can click on ACCA insurance over here, and that will find you any profitable ACCA insurance bets. You can then click through the calculator, and it shows you all the bets to make, select it to the refund lock-in, and it will show you that from this bet you'd make 98 pence. So not a massive amount, but you can guarantee that there'll be more, or you'll be making kind of £4 or £5 from that as well. Extra place betting is a more advanced offer. This is where you use where bookmakers offer extra places on horse races to your advantage. This is, like I said, a much more advanced offer which isn't guaranteeing profit. It uses something called expected value. So this is one that you'd leave alone for the first few months of match betting until you really get a good understanding of what you're doing. You build that bankroll up, and then you get a bit more confident to try something a little bit more out there. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, because it really does help small channels like mine grow. So let's pretend you've now done all of the sign up offers. You've made that crisp first £1,000 and you've decided to continue the process to make more money. Why wouldn't you? Well, Profit Accumulator don't leave you out in the cold. Once you've completed all the sign up offers, you can click offers over here, and you've then got either reload offers or offers calendar. We'll start off by going to reload offers, and these are essentially bespoke offers to people after you've completed the sign up. So after you're a member of Sky Bet or Bet365, they'll send you offers periodically as well that you can still profit from. As you can see, Profit Accumulator have two different layers of membership. They've got their platinum membership, which we're talking about today. So you can see the stuff that's blurred out here is for diamond members only, which of course we can't see, but you get the picture. Even after completing your initial sign up offers, there's still lots of different offers here that you can profit from. Again, each of them will have offer details, and it will break down how to do that offer, where to do that offer, and any of the eligibility criteria which you need to adhere to be able to do the offer. But there does seem to be an endless supply of different offers sat here for you to profit from. So if we go back up to the offers at the top and we go down to the offers calendar, what that does is it breaks down all the offers that you can do this week or today. So we're on the daily view, and you can see there's guaranteed profit of £5, £2, £1, £5.50, £2.50, £4. So already we've made around £20 just from those first 5 or 6 daily offers. And there are literally loads here. If you keep scrolling through, you can see all of the money can keep racking up, and you can do these offers just on the Saturday, the 10th of September. You can then click into the weekly view, and again, it will show you all of the offers which are eligible today. but it also shows you ones that you can do throughout this week. So there's things like weekly bet clubs, there's 2-up offers, there's early payout offers, there's tennis refunds, there's accumulator offers, horse racing offers, and again, you can do these every single week, so you can continue to make money long after the sign-ups are gone. There's also a profit tracker, which, as I showed you a little earlier, will store all the profits when you're using the calculators so that you know exactly where you're at. And you can locate that either on the top left of the screen or from the dashboard. And you can see here, it shows you all of the offers that I've been doing over the last 2 or 3 days, and the profit all added up down the right hand side. If you click through to the forum, again, there's a wealth of understanding here and a wealth of support and different offers that you can be doing. The one which I've found most beneficial recently is the price boost thread, which is essentially people posting boosts and offers that they found which are profitable onto the website so that everybody else can hop on them and make money as well. So you can see this is updated regularly by the community when they find good offers, and what you can do is you can actually get push notifications sent straight to your mobile phone which tells you when this has been updated so you can hop on them as well. You do that by coming back across the dashboard and setting up mobile notifications via the app Catapush. So it costs you absolutely nothing. You set it up, you link it to your phone, and then whenever a profitable boost has been located by somebody on Profit Accumulator, that'll get sent straight through to your phone so you can hop on it as well and continue to make some money. So that essentially is Profit Accumulator, and as you can probably tell, I've not really got a bad word to say about it. It's made me well over £10,000. It's helped fund my lifestyle, helped fund this house, and helped fund a number of other different things in my life. So it's made a massive difference to my life since when I started. And that brings me on to the cost of the software. When I first signed up to Profit Accumulator about 2.5 years ago now, it cost me £17.99 a month and gave me access to all of the sports. However, what they've done recently is they've actually branched off into sports offers and casino offers. So you can see the platinum membership, which I've got at the moment, costs me £29.99 a month or £250 per year. When I'm match betting, I can easily make £300 to £400 per month. So spending the £30 on this is more than worth it. But they go one step further. They offer you a free trial where you can make up to £40, like I spoke about earlier, from that free trial. So you can either use my link or you can come straight to the Profit Accumulator and set up your free trial. The £40 that you make from this can then fund the first month of your membership, and then really you're off and running. The Diamond membership is currently costed at £49.99 per month, so essentially £50. And for me, that is a little bit too steep. I did used to do casino offers using a different software called Team Casino, which cost me, I believe, around £14.99 a month, which was really, really profitable. But for me at the moment, spending £50 a month on this just seem a little bit too much. I've had quite a few questions about match betting recently for obvious reasons, so there's gonna be a little bit more content coming out on the channel regarding match betting and the different offers that you can do. And with that, I'm gonna get back to making some money.